Wow. Oh! Man! Hey! That didn't work. Merry Christmas! That was a good plate. Oh, finally a good one.
I lost a really good plate on this one. Let's try it without the hot dogs first. Merry Christmas! Oh, very fluffy. I've never put hot dogs in pancakes. These kind of look like snowflakes. Aunt Jemima, Pearl Mining Company, 1956. Let's try one with a hot dog. Okay. Whoop, two. That's pretty good. Okay. I like it with hot dogs. With my bad eyesight, I thought it said a quarter cup of milk, and that wasn't enough. It was 3/4 cups of milk. Use your glasses. These are Oscar Mayer. I had them left over, fresh in the fridge from the Armor hot dogs face off. Hey, Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me at Christmas. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.